there. Happy Tuesday. I was about
Happy
to send
Tuesday.
you a message.
Okay, sorry for
Yes.
late.
How's I don't know, it's okay. Yes. How's your day?
Today is actually nothing special. Mm,
I see.
it's just
Okay, so
ordinary day.
ordinary day at work, right? How's the level of fineness in your area? Is it okay?
Actually, today's fine level of finance is just not bad.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, today's level is mm, five, uh, fourth level out of fifth.
Fourth level.
Yes, out of five level. Actually, five
Ah.
level is the worst, and then today's level is first.
At first, it's not yet so
Yeah.
severe. I thought fourth. I see. Oh, okay. At least. And how was your weekend?
Actually, this last weekend and also nothing special.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I don't remember clearly because there was nothing special during the weekend.
Okay, right. Maybe you just stayed at home. Yes, as
Yes,
well. That's
right.
why.
Yes.
Okay. Anything else to share with me?
Okay, sure.
Okay. Have you read an article for today's class?
Yes. Yes.
Mm-hmm. What's the title?
The time is okay. 1541. Mystery
15.
behind the search for animal harbor. Mystery.
Mystery behind the search for animals harboring coronavirus.
You just right.
Okay, right. So here we go. Can you please
Yeah.
read the content of your article?
Yeah. It was the news. Sophie Griffiths had been reading, reading for months. Reading
Mhm.
for months. Almost a year into the pandemic, a seemingly healthy white mink tested positive for severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, SARS-CoV-2, in Utah. So
Mhm.
free roaming animal was known to the ha- to have caught the virus before. Although researchers had been watching for this closely, it happened, wrote Griffiths, an evolutionary biologist at the University of Antwerp, Belgium, in an email to her colleagues.
Mhm.
Ever since the coronavirus started spreading around the world, scientists have worried that it could leap from people into wild animals. If so, it might rot in various species, positive, possibly mutated, and then research in humans even after the pandemic has subsided. Fast spreading violence that were first identified in the United Kingdom, South Africa, and Brazil have not
Mhm.
yet been tested for their ability to infect animals. But although new virulence contain a mutation that can make the virus infectious to laboratory mice,
Mhm.
mus musculus, which are resistant to versions without the mutation 17. The new virulent global spread increased the possibility that house mice and perhaps also rats, will acquire the infection from people and contaminated environments such as sewers, cells, creases. Primary subject. Early in the pandemic, pigs, the pigs were top of the watch list. They are known to incubate other viruses, such as influenza, and they live in huge numbers in close proximity to humans. Some 300 million pigs are farmed in China, where the pandemic began. We are always afraid of pigs are involved, says Beer. Pigs can also host coronavirus. In 2018, researchers described the new bad coronavirus that had killed some 25,000 pigs in southern China too. And in February, sorry,
Mm-hmm.
in
It's okay.
February
Mm-hmm.
2020, scientists working on SARS-CoV-2 showed that it could enter pig cells through the ACE2 protein, the
Mm-hmm.
same receptor that is used to infect people dream.
Mm-hmm.
Wild animals are not the only ones to have drone security. Studies have shown that SARS-CoV-2 can infect many domesticated and captive cat creatures, from cats and dogs to pumas, gorillas, and snow leopards in zoos
Mm-hmm.
and farmed mink. Outbreaks in mink farms have already shown that infected animals can pass the virus back to humans. A
Mm-hmm.
growing number of real-world studies are beginning to reveal the true risk that animals pose. As more reports surfaced of pets who had caught COVID-19 from their sick owners, researchers took an increasing interest in cats, which are often free to slink between households and mingle in the wild. However, their possible role in COVID-19 transmission is a subject of debate. George,
Mm-hmm. Right. Scrutiny.
okay, 13 is
Yes, and surfaced. This T.
surfaced. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Right. Okay. Any questions about the vocabulary?
Everything is okay with the vocabulary.
All right. Let's move on then. What does SARS-CoV-2 stand for?
SARS-CoV stands for Severe Ocular Laboratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2.
Mm-hmm. And who is Sophie Greasels?
Sophie Crosses and Sophie Crosses. Okay. Um, eval, evol, evolutionary biologist at the University of Antwerp, Belgium.
Mm-hmm. Evolutionary.
Evolutionary. Evolutionary.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Right. So she is an evolutionary biologist. Yes. And what kind of animal is the primary suspect for SARS-CoV-2 and why?
The prime suspects for SARS-CoV-2 is
Mm-hmm.
is pig
Mm-hmm. Why?
because
Mm-hmm.
scientists found similar uh, things in pig cells through the ACE2 protein.
Mm-hmm. Right, yeah. So how dangerous is the SARS-CoV-2?
SARS-CoV-2 is very
Mm-hmm.
dangerous.
Yes.
They could kill lots of people, and also it
Right.
has a strong infection.
Mm-hmm. Yes, right. And it can be passed to animals, so it's
Yeah.
really dangerous. Yes. And in your opinion, does SARS-CoV-2 affect animals too?
Oh, yes, of course. Actually,
Mm-hmm.
they could affect lots of animals, such as
Mm-hmm.
not such as pigs, uh, pumas, and cats and dogs, and lots of wild animals.
Mm-hmm. What do you think will happen to the animals who are infected with this kind of virus?
Mm. Pardon?
What do you think would happen to
Yeah.
the animals who will be infected with that SARS-CoV-2?
Yeah. If lots of animals got infected, then also that means lots of people got infected through the animals, so
Mm.
we cannot control the new patients.
I see. Okay. Will the animals who got infected die?
Where?
The animals who were infected, are they going to die?
Mm, yes, of course. Some of
Mm.
them will die, but
Mm-hmm.
in most cases they will just got sick, but they
Mm.
will recover.
I see the animals.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah. So in most cases, they will just get sick. Yes, and after that, they will recover. And is it
yeah.
possible that you can get SARS-CoV-2 from pets?
Oh, yes, of course. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
because lots of scientists are suspicious on this case, animal
Mm-hmm.
to human infection.
So what should the people do who own pets?
Yeah, if they have their own pet, then they should keep their pet in their house, not to
Mm-hmm.
try, not to bring them to outside.
Is that possible?
And then I don't know. Maybe they
Especially
should.
dogs.
Yeah.
Yes, I think it would cause how does it is depression to animals.
Yes, right. Yes, right.
Mm.
But
Yes.
yeah, keep your health condition is
Mhm.
better.
Yes. Okay. So they have to keep those animals inside.
Yes, right.
Yes, as well. Do you think this will reach Asia?
Maybe. I don't know, but actually we don't have
Mhm.
any news in Korea about this disease.
Mm-mm.
But if it spread over the world, then we'll get infected soon.
I see. So in Korea, you haven't heard any news about this yet.
Yeah.
Okay, yes. And do you think it will spread through Asia? Do you think it will reach Asia or not really?
Nobody knows, but
Mm.
yeah, they could reach it to Asia soon.
Oh, I see. So that means there are no cure for coronavirus yet, and then another virus will come to Asia.
Yes, right.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So should scientists develop a vaccine for this as well too?
Yes, because they are finding the risk of this disease, so they have
Mm-hmm.
to, yeah, find the vaccine or recipe medicine for that disease.
I see. Oh, if that will happen, it's the end of the world.
Right,
Yes, because any animal can be infected, and it will
yes,
pass from one animal. And animals cannot wear masks, so it's really hard. Yes, to
right,
prevent that from spreading.
yeah,
Yes,
exactly.
even if you keep your pets inside your house, if insects or other animals will be infected, I think it's really hard.
Right.
Mm, yes, for that. Okay. Well then, anything else to share about this?
Everything's okay.
All right. Well, thank you so much then for today's class. I'll see you on Thursday for the new article. Okay?
Okay, bye bye.
Mhm. Mhm.